Meaning of horse riding.
Horse riding.
Horse riding.
Horse riding.
Horse riding. Horse riding refers to the activity of sitting on and controlling a horse for transportation, sport, or leisure purposes. It is a popular form of exercise and recreational activity around the world. Horse riding requires skill, balance, and coordination, as well as a strong rapport between rider and horse. It can range from gentle trail rides to competitive events such as dressage, jumping, and rodeo. Benefits of horse riding include improved physical fitness, increased confidence and self-esteem, and a deeper connection with animals and nature.